If I kept telling you, yo, the house is burning, and you didn't react the first time, I'm probably gonna say it again. And depending on that third, fourth, fifth reaction, then there might be a cutoff point. There gotta be a cutoff point because what I just was trying to warn you about. Now, if it was just conversation and you ignore me, that's cool. But if I'm about to if I'm warning you, I'm gonna annoy you about it. Warnings is, any alert that comes to your phone, if it does it ad nauseum, it must be one more serious than the rest of them. Like your wake up alarm, that one is ad nauseum because it's need to for you to take its priority. Like wake up. So this is a wake up alarm. This is a fire alarm, all combined in one. And so it's gonna be noisy and it's gonna be loud and it's gonna be consistent. And through the spirit, Great Millstone got to be the most noisiest, loudest, consistent camp you're gonna find on the internet.